Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view or watch reels of any particular account. So here you can see that, for example, I will just go to any particular account. Let's say, for example, this account right here, and you know that the reels have this particular icon right here, which is displayed right here. So you know which posts are reel. Although by default you will get a view with all of the posts and reels together, so you need to manually filter out which are the reels and which posts are actually posts. So if you want to filter out only the reels from this particular account, all you got to do is click on this play icon at the between these two icons. Once you do this, it will filter out only the reels which have been posted from this particular account. So now you can access all of the reels which have been shared by this account. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.